Hey guys, I want to show you the key features of our curtain rod for our headliner shelf in your Sprinter van. If you already have an existing headliner shelf or you're just purchasing a new one, this works with all of our historic models. Very simple install, just 2 holes you got to drill and it bolts straight up. The rod comes with brackets on the end that get assembled. So this allows you to run a setup like this with the classic like shower curtain style, or actually feed this rod through the top of a curtain, more like a living room blind or something you have. The rod is a steel tube with caps welded on the end and threaded, so really strong, almost no flex in the middle of it. The brackets on the end are also made out of steel, so very strong. All of that is powder coated with our interior powder coat, so it matches. On either side of it, there's also an additional coat hook, so you've got the ones on your B-pillar and right up above that, so a little more storage for hanging stuff. All of the L-track cutouts are still accessible with the rod installed, so if you've got those clip-in hooks that hang down, you can still use all those. If you're looking to add a little bit of privacy or block the light or add a little bit of a thermal barrier between that front section of your van and the back half, our curtain rod is a great option. Check it out at flatlinevanco.com.